Hello everybody, welcome to the Good Life channel. Here I am once again with another video, another Farmers World video, because the Farmers World or the Happy Farmers World update is finally out. It is live right now. So let us just hop into it and have a look at Happy Farmers World. So here is the website. Click on Happy Farmers World and this is what it says. Happy Farmers World is not available on Android browsers, iOS browsers, and Safari. This is Brave. I'm using the Brave browser, so accept. Of this music, so they have added some music to the game. So friends, this is Happy Farmers World. This is the update that we have right now, and so the update is just a new UI. It is just a new user interface, a 3D version of the game. There is no update with regards to new burning mechanisms or new NFTs. There has been no such update as of now. Probably this is just the phase 1 of the updates. We are yet to hear from the developers. They haven't said a word. They haven't made any sort of announcement. That is quite strange. You know, the whole community waiting for an announcement, but they haven't cared to make any sort of an announcement. So this is quite similar to the video that was leaked in the month of November, and not at all similar to the JPEG that they released in their last month's report. But whatever, at least we have an update. At least we have a 3D version of the game. So let us look into this 3D version of the game and see what does it have. So here are all the fishing boats. Here is the smithy. This is how the smithy looks. Here is the exchange. And this is the coop and the cow shed. I have neither of those. This is the farm over here. And the gold mine. These are the timers for my excavators. And wood is produced by the trees over here. You can see this. Wood is produced by the trees here. And what's new? What's new? The only thing that I can see right now, that I can, that is just standing out right now over here, are these two tractors. What are these tractors? Now, this is what is exciting me right now. What are these tractors? Are these new NFTs that they are going to launch? Are these new tools that will be launched in the next phase of the update? If it is so, it's going to be something interesting. So let's look forward to that, and let's hope this is going to be something positive. They haven't said anything about it yet. Let's hope that they would say something about it. And the statue over here, the statue has a timer, but when you click on the statue, it says this functionality is in development. So what is this actually? If you click here, you can see all your cards, your NFTs, all here. My silver membership, two of my silver memberships, the timer is at 6 hours 38 minutes. And here is also, this timer over here is also 6 hours 37 minutes. So is it something to do with the memberships? Not sure, but when you click on it, it says it's still under development. So that's yet to know. I'll know when the membership timer runs out. So how do we mine over here? So let's try a mine. Let's try this fishing hole. Oh, he's happy, he's jumping, he's got some food. He was able to feed himself. Okay, so that's how we mine. And what we can do is, you see this green circle, green dot over here. You can summon the farmer to wherever you want him to come. You see, you click it, you click there, he comes to that particular spot. If I click here, he comes there to that spot. So you can just summon him wherever you want on this on this map. So how is he going to mine the tree, the wood? So let's click on this. Okay, when you click on the tree, the tools are displayed. Select the tool, the chainsaw. The farmer comes walking and the transaction happens. This is quite slow. Oh, he takes out his chainsaw and there he has cut the tree and got the wood. So that's how the tree is mined, or the wood is mined, and the food is mined. Let's look at the mining excavator. Okay, there it is. This wasn't there earlier, I believe. So okay, click on that. Is it? Let's see. He takes time to walk around. Okay, this is something else that I've noticed. If the farmer has to walk for a while and come to the spot to do the mining, this window pops up saying that unable to open the pop-up window. So what you need to do is just try again. So yeah, once you try again, it will work. There, he's happy again, he's jumping again. And there is my gold. Okay, it goes back in. It goes back into the gold mine. Let's mine the other excavator also. Okay, so that's the excavator, the mining excavator. It mines and goes back into the gold mine. So probably this is going to be a truck or something. Is this another NFT? Yet to know about it. We have to just wait and watch. What else can we see here? Pretty much just that. Okay, let's see how to water the plant. I click on corn. Okay, where is my corn? Yes, let's water my corn seed. I click on water. This is taking quite some time. Very slow. They got to work on this. Okay. This is loading. What happened? It's watered. It is watered, but the farmer did not walk to the farm to water the corn seed. Okay, he only walks to mine the food, the wood, and the gold, but he does not come to the farm to water the corn or the barley. So basically that's about this new user interface. It is just a 3D version of the game. I would probably still prefer the other 2D version of the game because that is quite faster, because we have all of this colorful design. Over here is the 3D version. The farmer keeps walking on the map, but it does take time. So the other version, the old version, it doesn't take that much time. You just click and you're done. So I would still prefer the older version right now, because there is nothing much there in this new UI on this new user interface. So what's the mood in the Discord? So Discord is quite divided. There are we have seen two groups of people. There's one group, they are so excited with the new UI. They are happy about it. They were congratulating the developers and thanking them. But there is the other group who are disappointed with this update, because they were expecting not just a new UI, but they were expecting some kind of a burning mechanism, some new NFTs to be introduced so that the economy of the game can be balanced. But that has not happened, and that has caused a rift or a divide in the Discord right now. And what is quite strange is that none of the developers have come and made any sort of an announcement. Even when the button was added to the website, they did not make any official announcement. Even right up to the launch of the new UI, they did not make any sort of an announcement. Even after that, no announcement. They are completely silent, except in the general discussion. Spider just came up and just made some statement at just before the launch of the new UI. Where is that? You can find that here somewhere. Yeah, here. Spider comes up here just 20 minutes before the new UI can be launched. He comes up and says, as promised, we are having great days. Share this game with those around you. Be a Farmers World ambassador. Enjoy Happy Farmers World, and let's make Farmers World great again. Nothing much, just a bunch of words just thrown in the Discord, just a play of words. Nothing much about the update, nothing much about what is to be expected, what is the plan. No such talks, except a bunch of few words that's just thrown in. That's something little disturbing, because you need to communicate with your community. You have such a strong community. So many people who want to see this game succeed, so many who have invested so much in this game. What will it take for them to just come and share a few words, encourage the community? Looks like they are not interested in doing any of those. And let's look at the Alcor exchange, and let's look at where the tokens are right now. Farmers World is still up there at the first position, and let's click on it. Let's click on the 4-hour chart. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we have seen a huge dump. Just before the launch of Happy Farmers World, there has been a huge dump. When the button was introduced on the website, we saw this huge pump that happened, and prices simply went up, pumped, skyrocketed, whatever you want to call that. And then we see today there has been a huge dump, and the price is now stabilized at 0.00344. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. You're still in the dump here. 1-hour chart, 30 minutes chart. It's slowly stabilizing. 15 minutes. Yes, it has slowly stabilized at 0.00344. And there is something that we also need to understand, that this dump began not after the new UI was launched. The dump had begun, and this is not because the players were dumping the tokens, but actually there were a lot of other people. There were a lot of traders, non-players, who came in, who were trying to profit out of the volatility that was there in the Farmers World tokens. They did buy a lot of tokens at a very low price. They were holding on to it, and right before the launch of the new UI, right before the launch of Happy Farmers World, they began to dump it because they were not sure what the update could be. If the update was not good enough, then automatically the prices would drop. And so before that could happen, they exited from holding the tokens with whatever profit that they made, and that's the reason why this huge dump happened. And then we see it stabilizing over here at 0.0034. 0.0034 is still a good number, keeping in mind where we were a week back, 10 days back. We were right at the bottom, right in the dust, and from there to come to 0.003 is a good thing if the prices does stabilize over there, and if they release further updates, new NFTs or new burning mechanism, then we can see the price taking off from here to, you know, a little more higher. Probably we might go up to 0.01 or 0.015. That would be a good deal. Let's look at the Farmers World monitor, and this is my account here. It's earning 34 wax. Just before the pump, before the button, it was earning 7 wax. You know, almost a maxed out account. It was earning only 7 wax per day, and from as soon as the button was introduced, it started to earn 46 wax, 47 wax. Then it went all the way up to 100, 101, 120. It even touched 120, but it was you know, it was like stabilizing in between 70 to 80, 70 to 85. And then we see with the current drop, it has come down to 34 wax, which is still a good number, keeping in mind the current state of affairs. If everything goes well, if they introduce more tools and more and the proper burning mechanism, this is going to increase. So let's look at where we stand in the wax market cap. In wax market cap, we are at the 4th position right now. Here we are. Blockchain Brawlers, Hot Wheels, Scooby-Doo, they all had drops. Blockchain Brawlers game just launched. I mean, I don't know whether they already launched. They are supposed to launch on the 31st. So probably they have launched. Probably because of that, we see the spike over here, and all of these have had drops. That's the reason why we see them up here. Otherwise, Farmers World is doing quite well, doing quite good, hanging in there. So that's Happy Farmers World as of now. So let's hope for the developers to come in and make some sort of an announcement and tell us, give us a clear picture on the roadmap and what we can expect in the days to come, because if we do not have any sort of solid updates with regards to burning mechanisms, we are not positioned in a good point right now. Probably this 3D version will attract a lot of new players, and this can be a precursor before launching mobile apps and you know, all of those things. It can be a precursor to those, but if we want the economy to survive, there needs to be more. The developers have to come up with more. So friends, what do you think about the new Happy Farmers World user interface? What do you think about this update? So just drop in your comments in the comment section, and please do join my Discord and help me build the community there. So that's all from me tonight. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please do click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.